Hello friends, a very good evening and welcome back to Dua's Knowledge Portal. Today we are going to share you a very short video about the various life stages which we go through in our life. I would say day in and day out. So what I have done is I have drawn a 2x2 matrix with demand on the y-axis and the resources on the other x-axis. So what happens when we have resources in ample? So you are high on resources in terms of any resource, in terms of your money, power, position, the knowledge, anything which you think act as a resource for you. You have very high amount of resources in terms of everything. But the way you spend or the avenues of spending those resources is very less, which means your demand for those things which you are having is quite less. What happened? You have a number of things over here. Demand is less for those things. It will lead to a situation in all of our life called as boredom. We are bored, right? We are bored because we have many things to give, but there is no demand for that. Now consider a situation where you have less of resources. Your resources are quite less in terms of spending, but avenues are high. There are a lot of demand for the resources which you are not having. You feel the need and urge to increase that resource requirement. And ultimately you become anxious and you move into a stage where you have anxiety in terms of how I should increase my resources to meet the demand. It happens everywhere, personal, professional, any frame of life. Now come a situation where your demand actually meets the resources, means you have the resources which could exactly to an extent meet the demand for that. Again, in any sphere of life, I know it's easier said than done, but this is the stage where we all look forward for, which is called as a stage of equilibrium or the balance. We all strive to maintain balance in the life, and this is where when your resources meet the demand, we are able to achieve that. In our Faith to Fear workshop, we are giving you a micro resilience technique to maintain this balance of life, where your resources tend to meet exactly the demand. I know it's easier said than done. Again, I'm repeating that. But yes, we are trying to maintain that balance through our Faith over Fear workshop, which we are doing this Sunday. Hope to see you then.